How to start an online business. First, understand what works for you. What do you want to learn? You need to understand what works for you. What do you need to get done in life to ensure that you have some sort of online side income to count on? There are so many options in the market. The first is blogging. The second, affiliate marketing, which is also linked to blogging. Number 3, drop shipping. You can make a bunch of money drop shipping. Number 4, e-commerce. Number 5, freelancing. Number 6, YouTube, which obviously we at Aninfo seek to achieve and aspire towards. You can learn everything you need on YouTube. Now you know the types of things that are legit and you can try to use it to generate some side income. Just do your research and you will find a way to make some money. If you are anything like us, you want to spend the least amount of money. So look for free stuff. The less it costs to run and operate your business, the better. So there you go, the little info you need to get started. That is from us at Aninfo, where we animate to inform.